I found something pretty cool from SolidWorks and I just wanted to share it with you. You are probably used to videos of me ripping on SolidWorks for 3D experience, but hey, you have to give credit where credit is due, and this is pretty cool. People who are new to CAD are always asking for free drawings for practice. And I have videos and a playlist on some free resources that also includes the Model Mania competition from SolidWorks, but I just found something even better. There is a resource online where you can get a whole bunch of practice drawings, 365 drawings, in fact, one for each day of the year, so you can practice your CAD modeling. And of course, this doesn't just have to be for SolidWorks. You could use it for Onshape. You can use it for Creo Parametric. You can use it for any CAD software. And so these practice problems are broken up into two groups. It's not like you have to download a PDF for each one of the practice problems. So there are 250 problems for the certified SolidWorks Associate exam, and then another 115 for the certified SolidWorks Professional exam. And so there are two different PDFs. And so it's great. I mean, again, if you are looking for something to improve your skills, this is it. And the URL, I should have put it up above me, but just to let you know, it is solidworks.com/solution/academia/practice-problems. And so check it out, download it, and I hope you improve your skills.